Imagine waking up in the near future and your laptop is no longer just a laptop. Your phone is no longer just a phone. Your office computer is no longer just a machine sitting on your desk. Instead, every device around you starts behaving like a personal assistant, researcher, designer, teacher, manager, business advisor, and even a digital employee. This is not a movie scene anymore. This is the direction the world is moving in after the latest AI updates from NVIDIA, Google, and Microsoft in 2026. Welcome back to ManishSirG, where we decode global technology, business, geopolitics, and the future in simple language. Today we are talking about one of the biggest shifts in modern technology, the next phase of artificial intelligence. For the last few years, most people thought AI means chatbots. You type a question, AI gives an answer. You ask for a script, it writes a script. You ask for an image, it creates an image. But now AI is moving to the next level. AI is no longer only answering questions. AI is now moving toward taking action. This is the real revolution. Let's begin with NVIDIA. NVIDIA's big message is that the world is entering the age of AI factories. Now, what is an AI factory in simple language? A normal factory produces cars, clothes, machines, or packaged food. But an AI factory produces intelligence. It uses electricity, chips, data, and software to produce answers, decisions, videos, designs, automations, robots, and business productivity. This is a massive shift. In the Industrial Revolution, factories produced physical goods. In the AI revolution, factories will produce digital intelligence. That is why companies and countries are investing billions into AI infrastructure, because the future economy will not only depend on oil, land, factories, or labor. It will also depend on computing power. NVIDIA is also pushing something called agentic AI. Don't worry about the technical term. In simple language, agentic AI means AI that can work like an agent. Today, you ask AI, give me ideas for a business campaign. Tomorrow, you may say, create the full campaign, write the post, design the visuals, prepare the email, analyze the audience, and schedule everything. And AI may actually do it. This changes everything. For businesses, this means AI can become a digital worker. For creators, it can become a production assistant. For students, it can become a tutor. For professionals, it can become a research partner. For entrepreneurs, it can become a strategy assistant. NVIDIA also talked about physical AI. This means AI is not going to remain trapped inside screens. It is coming into the physical world through robots, smart factories, autonomous vehicles, warehouses, hospitals, drones, and machines. In simple words, AI is getting a body. Until now, AI had a brain but no hands. Physical AI gives it eyes, movement, sensors, and action in the real world. This could transform manufacturing, logistics, agriculture, healthcare, construction, transport, and security. Now let's move to the Google. Google's 2026 keynote showed that AI is becoming part of daily life. Google is not just building AI for tech experts. It is trying to put AI inside search, Android, Gmail, Docs, YouTube, education, business tools, content creation, and everyday digital activity. Google's Gemini ecosystem is becoming faster, more visual, more conversational, and more useful. The future of Google is not only search and click links. The future is ask, understand, compare, create, and act. For a regular user, this means AI may help you plan travel, compare products, understand complex topics, summarize long videos, create presentations, write emails, translate languages, generate images, and even produce videos. For students, it may become a personal tutor. You can ask it to explain a difficult topic in simple language. You can ask it to prepare notes, quizzes, examples, and revision plans. But there is also a danger. When AI can create realistic text, images, audio, and video, fake content will also become more powerful. Deep fakes, fake news, AI scams, copied assignments, manipulated videos, and fake voices can become common. So in the AI age, digital literacy will become extremely important. People will need to ask, is this real? Is this AI generated? Is this a scam? Is this information verified? AI will make life easier, but it will also make judgment more important. Now let's talk about Microsoft Build 2026. Microsoft's direction is very clear. AI is coming to the workplace. Microsoft wants AI agents inside Windows, Office, Teams, Outlook, coding tools, cloud platforms, and business systems. That means your future office may not look the same. Imagine opening your computer and asking your AI assistant, summarize yesterday's meeting, prepare the follow-up email, update the project report, find the pending task, and schedule the next call. Earlier, you had to do all of this manually. In the future, AI agents may handle many of these tasks. This is exciting, but it also creates a serious question. What happens to jobs? The honest answer is this: AI may not replace everyone, but AI will definitely replace many routine tasks. Basic data entry, simple reporting, copy-paste work, repetitive emails, basic customer support, simple content formatting, and routine coordination will be affected. The future belongs to people who can use AI smartly. A marketer using AI will become faster. A teacher using AI will become more effective. A student using AI properly will learn better. A business owner using AI will make better decisions. A developer using AI will code faster. A creator using AI will produce more content. AI may not replace you directly, but a person who knows how to use AI can replace a person who refuses to learn it. This is the important point. Now let's talk about students. For students, AI is a blessing if used correctly and a trap if used lazily. If a student uses AI only to copy homework, write assignments without thinking, and avoid learning, then AI will make that student weaker. But if a student uses AI to understand concepts, improve writing, practice English, prepare for exams, explore career options, research universities, learn coding, and develop communication skills, then AI becomes a superpower. In the coming years, students will not win by memorizing more. They will win by thinking better, asking better questions, solving problems, and adapting faster. And this is where Vidya Infinity Global Education Architects becomes important. If you are a student or parent confused about career direction, stream selection, admissions, study abroad, test preparation, or future planning, Vidya Infinity can help you make smarter decisions. In a world where AI is changing careers so quickly, choosing the right path has become more important than ever. Visit vidyainfinity.com or contact 7828199500 for career guidance, admission support, test preparation, and global education planning. Now let's talk about businesses. For businesses, AI is no longer optional. Whether you run a hotel, restaurant, cafe, coaching institute, real estate business, local store, startup, service agency, or personal brand, AI and digital presence are becoming essential. Small businesses that use AI and digital marketing smartly can compete with bigger players. But businesses that stay invisible online will slowly lose attention, leads, and customers. That is where Infinity Growth Tech can help. If you want a website, digital marketing, branding, logo design, social media management, advertising campaigns, video editing, software solutions, or automation for your business, connect with Infinity Growth Tech. Visit infinitygrowthtech.com or email at ManishSirG@gmail.com or WhatsApp at 8989601701. Now let's understand where technology is heading overall. First, computers are changing. Earlier, computers waited for commands. You opened apps, clicked buttons, searched files, and did everything manually. Now computers are becoming intention-based. You will tell the computer what you want, and AI will decide which tools, files, apps, and steps are needed. Second, search is changing. Earlier, you searched on Google and opened multiple websites. Now AI gives direct answers, summaries, comparisons, and recommendations. This will change blogging, SEO, education, news, and digital marketing. Third, software is changing. Earlier, software had fixed buttons and menus. Now software will have AI agents inside it. A CRM will not just store customer data, it may suggest follow-ups. An accounting tool will not just show numbers, it may warn you about problems. An education platform will not just show courses, it may guide students personally. Fourth, content creation is changing. Earlier, making videos, ads, thumbnails, presentations, and campaigns took a lot of time. Now AI can help with scripts, visuals, voiceovers, editing ideas, captions, and marketing copy. This will create more creators, more competition, and more noise. So, quality, originality, storytelling, and trust will matter even more. Fifth, jobs are changing. The safest people will not be those who know only one fixed skill. The safest people will be those who can learn, adapt, communicate, lead, use technology, and think critically. The future will reward people who combine human intelligence with artificial intelligence. There will be three types of people in this AI revolution. The first type will ignore AI and say this is hype. The second type will use AI casually for captions, small messages, and fun images. The third type will build AI into their learning, work, business, creativity, productivity, and decision making. The third type will win. This is why NVIDIA, Google, and Microsoft are racing so aggressively. They know AI is not just another technology feature. AI is becoming the next platform after the internet and smartphones. The personal computer changed how we worked. The internet changed how we connected. The smartphone changed how we lived. Now AI will change how we think, create, decide, learn, and operate. But remember one thing, AI is powerful, but it is not magic. It can make you smarter if you use it wisely. It can also make you lazy if you depend on it blindly. Use AI as a tool, not as your master. Use it to improve your thinking, not replace your thinking. The future is not only about artificial intelligence, it is about augmented intelligence. Humans becoming more capable with the help of machines. The message from NVIDIA, Google, and Microsoft is clear. AI is moving from chatbots to agents, from screens to machines, from cloud to personal devices, from text to voice and video, from experiments to real business systems. This is not just a technology update. This is an education update, a career update, a business update, a lifestyle update. The world is shifting from search and do to ask and automate. So the real question is not whether AI will change the world. The real question is, will you be ready when it changes yours? If you found this video useful, hit the like button, share it with someone who needs to understand the future of AI, and subscribe to @ManishSirG for more powerful explainers on global technology, business, geopolitics, and the future. Tell me in the comments, are you excited about AI or worried about jobs and privacy? For career guidance, admissions, study abroad and test preparation, visit vidyainfinity.com or contact 7828-199-500. For websites, digital marketing, branding, software solutions and business growth systems, visit infinitygrowthtech.com. This is ManishSirG and I'll see you in the next video.